Hello friends, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we are going to learn how to write 10-line essay on the state Telangana. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line, Telangana is a state in southern India. Second line, it was created as India's 29th state on 2nd June 2014. Third line is, it was part of Andhra Pradesh before becoming a separate state. The fourth line is, it is the youngest state of India. The next line, that is line number 5, is Hyderabad is the capital city of this state. Line number 6 is, it is considered the seed capital of India. The next line, that is line number 7, is, it is one of the wealthiest economies in India. Next line is, it is mainly driven by agriculture. The next line, that is line number 9, is, it is a mineral-rich state with coal reserves. The last line is, it is famous worldwide for its amazing bronze castings.